Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to walk through how to build a complete website using free Elementor templates and the Happy Add-ons plugin. Before we jump in, make sure you have both the Elementor and Happy Add-ons plugins installed and activated on your WordPress site. If you have those ready, let us get started. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard, go to Pages, and click Add New. Once the page loads, click the button that says Edit with Elementor. We want a blank slate for this, so go to the Settings gear icon in the bottom left corner. Look for the Page Layout drop-down menu and select Elementor Canvas. This will clear out any default theme elements so we can build from scratch. Now, we're going to pull in a professionally designed template. Look for the Happy Add-ons library icon directly on the canvas and click it. This opens up a huge library of templates. You'll see both free and premium options, but today we're sticking to the free ones, which do not have the Pro tag on them. Scroll through until you find the design you like, hover over it, and click the Insert button. It might take a moment to load, but once it does, you'll have a fully paged structure ready to go. Naturally, you'll want to customize this. Scroll through your new page to see what you have. If you need to add a new section, like a testimonial area, scroll to where you want it and click the pink plus icon. You have two choices here. You can open the Happy Library again, go to the Blocks tab, and search through over 400 ready-made blocks to insert. Alternatively, you can build it manually by dragging a widget, like a testimonial widget, into your new section. You can then edit the text, image, and designation right in the panel. Once you're happy with your page, click the green Publish button at the bottom, or save it as a draft if you're not quite ready to go live. A website isn't complete without a header and footer. Usually, you need the paid version of Elementor for this, but Happy Add-ons includes a free theme builder that lets us do it for free. To create your header, go back to your WordPress dashboard, find Happy Add-ons, click Theme Builder, and then select the Header tab. Click Add New. You can create your layout by selecting the number of columns you need. From there, you can style the background color and drag in widgets like icons, text editors for your contact info, and a button for your call to action. Most importantly, drag in the Happy Menu widget to display your site navigation. If your menu isn't showing up, just double check that you have created one in the Appearance and Menu section of your dashboard. Finally, let's tackle the footer. Go back to the Happy Add-ons theme builder and this time select the Footer tab. Click Add New. This is even easier because we can use a template. Open the Happy Add-ons library icon, type Footer in the search bar, and insert one of the free footer templates. You can then customize the links, social icons, and copyright text to match your brand. Once you hit Publish, your header and footer will be live across your site. And that's it. You have successfully built a page, customized it, and added a custom header and footer using only free tools. If you found this guide helpful, please drop a like below, and I'll see you in the next video. Gemini said that.